Well, how you doing, guys? It is 7:10 p.m. on Friday. It's August 21st. I think we are on the third week of the month, guys. We close to the end of the month, and yeah, oh man, this whole year has been going fast. But guys, today Green Day on the Schwab account on my Weeble. That's another story, okay? I really don't want to talk about it. It's just uh, revenge trading is something that y'all should not do, and my we will pay the price today. Um. Anyhow, but on the Schwab account, guys, we up $144 for the day. Uh, didn't trade any stocks this morning. Actually, I made a decision. I woke up early and I'm like, I really don't feel good on myself. I went out yesterday and I didn't feel good in the morning. Got like good enough for to take straight decisions and do stocks. So I decided not to do stocks in the morning and decided to wake up a little later, close to market open, and do auctions, which ended up paying off. My first auction that I did was, let's see, QQQ. Ended up, being positive on it, and I was up for the day, but then I suddenly decided to trade Tesla and that didn't work out so well. It actually did a jackknife on me, as you can tell. That 9 o'clock 18 seconds. I bought three contracts at $2.41, and it jackknifed on me. Went all the way down to $1.95. Then I tried to increase my share price and cut the losses, bought some 206 and ended up selling at 226 and cut my losses on half. And still, I was, I think, $33 negative for Tesla. So that put me down to 20, I want to say, yeah, $20 or so. But then I traded Robinhood, um, which had pretty good news, and I went heavy on it. I bought five contracts at 129, 128, and ended up selling at 125 because I saw it was doing a little downtrend. I think it was like $10 down for the day. And on the next candle, immediately after I sold, it started going on an uptrend. So I increased my share size to seven contracts and purchase at $1.38 per contract. I mean, per share. So that will be what, $138 uh, times seven contracts. That's, yeah, whatever that number is, close to 1,000, I think. And then I'll be in profitable. I thought so. $1.58, seven contracts, and guys, that put us $144 up for the day, and that was amazing. And I decided to call it a day right there. It was 9:05. I had to go. I had some stuff to do at 10. I had to get ready and whatever. So yeah, just call it a day. $144, and we are officially positive for the month. I think it's $76 if I'm not mistaken, which is not nothing big, but after last month I was down, I think, $200 for last month. It definitely will help. And we still have a whole week to trade. And if we keep doing how I'm doing, I mean, this is what, day 8 in a row that I have not have a single red day. Amazing. I mean, if I keep doing this for next week, you know, we're probably gonna see uh a $300, $500 month, which is not bad, especially for the account size. Um, but yeah, That is on the Schwab. The Weeble, well, like I said, I did some revenge trading today. Didn't work out. Um, so pretty much that's it, guys. Nothing else going on. It's the weekend. Tomorrow's Saturday and Sunday. I gotta check the news for next week. I think there's something going on government wise. I think the Fed is putting money into the economy. I don't know how much, but I think they are putting money into the economy. So, that might pump a little bit on the market next week. This week was actually like, a little bit on the downtrend. So we'll see how it goes. And guys, well, thank you again for watching, and I'll see y'all Monday. Have a good one.